Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to go to the next line within a single cell in Google Sheets. If you've ever tried to create a tidy list or add multiple lines of text inside one cell and just ended up jumping to another cell, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. By the end of this video, you'll know the simple trick to press enter inside a cell and stack lines neatly, making your sheets way more organized and readable. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to head to Google Sheets and click into any blank space, meaning an empty cell where you want to type your information. This sounds basic, but actually choosing your spot at the start can save you the hassle of moving things around later. It helps to think ahead about where your content will look best, especially if you're making lists or planning out data in a visually pleasing way. Next, just start typing your text as you normally would. For example, maybe you're entering a simple task list, some notes, or writing out ingredients for a recipe. Whatever it is, type it in as if you're writing one line. Now here where the magic happens. Instead of just hitting enter, which would usually bump you right down to the next cell below, press Alt plus enter on your keyboard at the same time. You'll notice that your cursor jumps down to a brand new line, but it stays within the same cell, and that's exactly what we want. If you're on a Mac, by the way, you'll want to hold down Control and Command and then press Return. So it's Control plus Command plus Return for Mac users. A quick heads up there so no one gets stuck. Now back to Google Sheets. You can keep repeating that Alt plus Enter combination as many times as you need to stack more lines inside the same cell. Think of it a bit like making a mini notepad within just one box. Each tap of Alt plus Enter lets you start a fresh line, so you can bring in lists, separate ideas, or even jot down multiple phone numbers or addresses without having to break them up across other cells. This technique is fantastic when you're sharing a sheet with someone and want all related info grouped neatly together. If this is your first time trying it, just take it slow, typing, pressing Alt plus Enter, typing your next line, and so on. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always backspace or even start over in the cell if you need to. It can feel a little unintuitive at first, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. You'll be surprised how much easier it becomes to keep your sheets organized and visually clear, especially when you need to print, share, or review your data later. And that's honestly all there is to it. Using Alt plus Enter inside a Google Sheets cell gives you the flexibility to keep your information clean, grouped, and way more readable without cluttering up your sheet. It's a small trick with a big payoff. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets tip you want to see covered. And if you'd like more practical tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.